If you're wondering how to become a real estate agent in Florida, this video will walk you through it step by step. Whether you're considering a career change, looking for more flexibility, or exploring new income opportunities, understanding the actual process is the first step. In Florida, there are 5 main steps to getting your real estate license. Let's start with step 1. Step 1, make sure you meet the basic requirements. In Florida, you must be at least 18 years old, have a high school diploma or equivalent, and have a social security number. Those are the minimum qualifications required by the state. Simple, but essential. Step 2, complete a 63-hour Florida pre-licensing course. This course is required by the Florida Department of Business and Professional Regulation, also known as DBPR. This course covers real estate law, contracts, financing, property rights, and principles of real estate practice in Florida. You can take this course in person or online, but make sure you choose a state-approved Florida real estate school. Not all programs are structured the same. Preparation matters. Step 3, submit your application to the state of Florida through DBPR. You'll also complete fingerprinting and a background check. Once your application is approved, you'll receive authorization to schedule your Florida real estate exam. This approval process can take a few weeks, so timing matters if you're planning ahead. Step 4, pass the Florida real estate exam. The exam consists of 100 multiple choice questions. You need a score of 75 or higher to pass. The exam covers Florida real estate law, agency relationships, mathematics, financing, and brokerage operations. This is where preparation makes a significant difference. Passing on the first attempt saves time, money, and momentum. Step 5, activate your real estate license with a sponsoring broker. In Florida, you cannot operate independently as a sales associate. You must work under a licensed real estate broker. Choosing the right brokerage is not just administrative, it's strategic. The environment you choose will influence your training, your confidence, and your early success. Once you complete these 5 steps, you are officially a licensed real estate agent in Florida. But here's something important. Getting your license is only the beginning. Building a successful career requires structure, mentorship, and consistency. Real estate is a professional industry, and the agents who approach it as a long-term career tend to see long-term results. If you have questions about how to become a real estate agent in Florida, about the timeline, the cost, or whether this career path fits your goals, call us. Our information is below in the comments. We're happy to walk you through the process and provide clarity. Whether you enroll with us or simply need direction, we're here to help. If this was helpful, feel free to subscribe for future videos about real estate education in Florida. And if you know someone considering getting their Florida real estate license, like and share this video so they can start with confidence.